p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 8 miles south of Fayetteville to near Fairmont. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Elizabethtown, Red Springs, Pembroke, Fairmont, St. Paul's, Bladenboro, Roland, Boardman, Rex, Hammer, Bladen Community College, Ammon, Butters, south of the border, Hestertown, Cheyenne, Bowie, Robeson Community College, and White Oak. Thunderstorms can pose a variety of threats including gusty winds, small hail, cloud-to-ground lightning, and localized flooding. It is recommended that you remain indoors until the storms pass. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Robeson